Good morning, my green buddies. If there's jasmine in your garden, you have a good morning. If there's night blooming jasmine, you have a good day. This is an irony. When the flower boom, it is not possible to record this video, and when it's a good time to record, the flower doesn't bloom. The Raat Ki Rani, also known as Raat Rani, Queen of the Night or Night Blooming Jasmine, is one of the most fragrant flowering plants. It is native to the West Indies but naturalized in South Asia. It is grown as an ornamental plant. Raat Ki Rani is an evergreen woody shrub growing tall. It is quite easy to grow and care for. It usually blooms throughout the year but best in summer. It can be grown in pots or directly in the soil. It may grow up to 3 to 4 meters tall. Look how this one has come up over a meter already. Raat Ki Rani is an evergreen woody shrub growing tall. These flowers are greenish white in color and extremely fragrant. Another variety has yellow flowers. It grows well in full sun or partial shade, but don't plant it in complete shade as it will not produce flowers. In extreme climates, plant it in partial shade. The soil should be well drained and fertile, rich in organic content. Weather the plant thoroughly in the summer and reduce watering in winter and rainy season. Its fruits are small berries. The plant is often mistaken for the harshingar or parijat plant. Beware, don't consume the plant as it is toxic. Raat Ki Rani has become widely naturalized in tropical and subtropical regions throughout the world, including Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, southern China and the southernmost United States, and is difficult to eradicate. It is classified as a weed in some countries. Imagine, we actually rear it for its uniqueness and beauty. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Please visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.